If you search for a Bybit Copy Trading tutorial, this video is for you, but let me be clear from the start. This is not a video promising easy money. This is a step-by-step explanation of how Bybit Copy Trading actually works, how people really lose money with it, and how to use it properly without destroying your account on the first try. Who this tutorial is for. This tutorial is for people who already trade crypto but know they are not consistently profitable. It is for people who do not want to spend years learning technical analysis, but still want exposure to the market in a structured way. If you are looking for fast profits or guaranteed income, this is not for you. What copy trading really means. Copy trading does not mean you stop thinking. It does not mean risk disappears. Copy trading simply means your account automatically follows the trades of another trader. When they open a position, your account opens a similar position based on the amount you allocated. When they close, your position closes. You are copying execution, not skill. How Bybit Copy Trading works. Bybit Copy Trading is built directly into the platform. You do not need third-party bots or external services. You choose a trader, decide how much capital you want to allocate, and the system mirrors their trades automatically. Your funds stay in your Bybit account the entire time, and you can stop copying whenever you want. Why most people lose with copy trading? Most people lose money with copy trading because they treat it like passive income. They follow traders with high recent profits without understanding risk. They enter at the peak of performance and panic when drawdowns appear. Copy trading does not protect you from bad trader selection. The biggest misunderstanding about copy trading. Many people believe copy trading removes responsibility. This is wrong. You are still responsible for how much you allocate, who you copy, and when you stop. Copy trading only removes the need to click buy and sell. Everything else is still your decision. Why Bybit Copy Trading attracts beginners? Bybit Copy Trading looks simple because the interface is clean and the statistics are visible. You see profit numbers, win rates, and rankings. This creates a false sense of safety. The data is helpful, but only if you know how to read it correctly. Who should use Bybit Copy Trading? Bybit Copy Trading is suitable for people who understand risk and want structured exposure to futures trading without actively trading themselves. It is also useful for people who have limited time, but are willing to monitor performance and make decisions when needed. Who should not use copy trading? If you cannot emotionally handle losses, copy trading is not for you. If you think copying a trader means guaranteed profit, you will be disappointed. Copy trading requires patience and discipline, just like manual trading. Step 1. Creating and accessing copy trading. To start copy trading on Bybit, you need a verified account and funds deposited. Once logged in, you access the copy trading section from the platform menu. This is where most people rush and make mistakes by selecting traders too quickly. Step 2. Understanding trader lists. The trader list shows performance statistics such as total profit, win rate, and drawdown. These numbers are not marketing tools, they are warning signs if you know how to read them. Profit alone means nothing without context. Why ROI alone is a trap. High return numbers attract attention, but they often hide extreme risk. A trader can generate high ROI by using aggressive leverage or risky strategies. As a follower, you inherit that risk even if you do not understand it. Why drawdown matters more than profit. Drawdown shows how much the trader lost during bad periods. This tells you how painful the experience will be when things go wrong. If you cannot tolerate the historical drawdown, you will panic and stop copying at the worst possible time. How to choose a trader properly. When choosing a trader to copy, the first thing you should check is not profit but behavior. Look at how long the trader has been active and how consistent their performance is over time. A trader with steady results and moderate returns is usually safer than someone with explosive gains over a short period. How to read trader behavior. Pay attention to how often the trader trades and how long they hold positions. Traders who open too many trades or hold losing positions for too long are usually taking unnecessary risk. Consistency in behavior is more important than short-term success. Why following top-ranked traders is dangerous. Most beginners follow traders at the top of the leaderboard. The problem is that these rankings are based on recent performance. By the time you join, The trader may already be taking higher risks to maintain their position. This is how many followers become exit liquidity. How much capital you should allocate. Never allocate all your funds to one trader. A safer approach is to start with a small portion of your capital and increase only after you understand how the trader performs during losing periods. If one losing streak makes you panic, your allocation is too high. When you should stop copying, stopping a copy is not a failure. It is a risk management decision. If a trader suddenly increases leverage, changes strategy, or exceeds their historical drawdown, it is reasonable to stop copying. Discipline protects your capital more than loyalty. One common mistake is copying too many traders at the same time without understanding correlation. Another mistake is checking profits every hour and reacting emotionally. Copy trading still requires patience and a long-term mindset. The role of fees in copy trading. Copy trading involves frequent transactions, which means fees add up over time. Even if your trader is profitable, high fees can reduce your net returns significantly. This is why fee structure matters more in copy trading than in manual trading. Why using a referral code matters. By reducing trading fees, you improve your long-term results without changing your strategy. This is one of the few advantages you can control from day one. Lower fees mean less pressure during drawdowns and better compounding over time. If you sign up using the link in the description and enter the referral code 5OREFUND, you receive a 20% fee rebate on both futures and spot trading. You also unlock a welcome bonus of up to $30,000. This does not make trading risk-free, but it gives you a better starting position. Final advice before you start: start slow, stay disciplined, and treat copy trading as a tool, not a shortcut. Monitor trader behavior, control your allocation, and accept that losses are part of the process. The goal is not to win fast, but to survive long enough to learn. If you want to try Bybit Copy Trading the right way, use the registration link in the description and apply the referral code 50REFUND to get fee rebates and the welcome bonus. This directly improves your long-term performance. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials focused on risk management, trader selection, and realistic trading strategies. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk, and you are fully responsible for your own decisions. Never trade money you cannot afford to lose.